Is it there? Yeah. Hello! So today, what'd I do? I went through more of networking tutorials, so I'm halfway through the last one. It's a little slow goings, because there's a lot of little tiny steps that were MIA, or not left out, but it's the version has changed since this tutorial was made, so there's a few bits um, missing here and there. Yes. So anyways, what we have going on here is the main guy server here, and he's running around, and you can see him jumping on the other guy's screen, and he can shoot 1 and 2 and 3 bombs, and then they turn red to represent them arming themselves. And if I switch over to this, nope, wrong one, that one, yes, and I can go 1, 2, 3, and there's 3 more bombs. But anyways, so the way this works is in this uh, the character blueprint. We have when I right mouse button, check to see if you have bombs, and if you do, um, then go ahead and spawn a bomb. So this has bombs. Yeah. Anyways, that's yeah, that is how that works. Let me make sure I didn't disable the whole thing. Did I make it? Nope. Yeah. So and the bomb count goes down to 0, and then I can't right click and make any more bombs come out. So let's see if I go to attempt to spawn bombs. Yes, this guy. So what it does is it says um, first check to make sure you're the server because you want the server spawning the bombs, not the people. And then check to see if the character has bombs. And if they do, and after this, proceed along this branch. If they do have bombs, give us a positive. So that's why if I disconnect this, or I'll show you that later. Anyways, if they do have bombs, continue on, and then spawn an actor. So what type of actor? This bomb! And yeah, this is our trajectories from last time. And then, let me see this. Where'd it go? Event graph for that has bombs. Oh yeah, and over on the bomb side, we have to make it so when it spawns, it behaves properly. So, where'd it go? Where'd it go? So, on bounce. Yeah, so this is inside the bomb. It's saying when it bounces, since we have this projectile movement component added, we have the ability. Yeah, so let me back up a little bit. Over here in the components, we added a bomb, which is just a little sphere collision. It's just a sphere with a collision object. And it has this other component called projectile movement. And what that does is it gives us the ability to use a function such as on bounce. And so what happens is when the character spawns it, and then it hits the ground and bounces, then first check to make sure you're the server doing this, and then set it to armed. And this guy, because this variable armed was replication set to rep notify, that means it created this function here. So once it sets armed turned on, it will automatically run this on rep armed function, which is this guy. And so this guy first checks to see if you're armed, which you are if you're bouncing, and then it goes and sets the bomb color. And so the bomb color just takes in a variable called bomb color, which is just this bomb color, which is a linear color. I colored red, and then this converts it to a vector, and the vector gets tossed in, which is just 3 numbers, R for RGB, and then yeah, the set bomb color goes to the set vector parameter value on materials. So it's going to look at what material does the parameter have. I mean, does the bomb mesh have, or the target. So this target is set to bomb mesh, and the material color param name is set to color right here. So it's going to go check out what material is on this bomb mesh, which is this one right here, and then it's going to go ahead and look for, I can't find the regular material editor. No poo. No double poo. No, right here. The material, yeah. Okay. So, yeah, it's going to go ahead and look for whatever thing in here is called color. And then it's going to assign that value to it. So it goes here, says, oh, color, set it to the parameter I tossed in, which is that red. And so that is why when everything is compiled and saved, when I hit play and they bounce, they turn red. Yeah. And if for funsy, where'd it go? Where'd it go? Return value on ref arm third person. Oh bother. Attempt spawn bomb. Oh yeah. So right here, if you disconnect this, is just fun for no good reason. But anyways, I can go wee. Oh, it doesn't work at all. Oh, I gotta turn it to true. Yeah. I can go wee and toss all the bombs out in the world. So anyways, that is what I did, and so tomorrow I'll hopefully wrap up networking and hooray, and then I will hopefully be able to get a little bomb game going on and mine and my lovely assistant. Uh, they can't see you, which is okay. And so I'll see if I can't get the bomb game working on both of our computers so we can blow each other up. Hooray! So yeah, hope everybody had a fabulous week. It's Friday. Yay. And hope everybody has a wonderful, shiny weekend. Be able to get some good hours in tomorrow. And work on cosplay costumes for Comic-Con, because that's coming up. Hooray! And yeah, let's see. The reason for, doing this stuff is so when I go to do multiplayer on the game ID I have, I'll be able to make multiplayer work. Yeah, so hope everybody has a shiny Friday evening or Saturday morning, whenever you get this, and peace. Yeah.